Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send TON from a Telegram wallet to Binance. First, open Telegram, tap the three lines icon at the top and then select Wallet. Ensure you have a balance in TON Beta. This wallet will be used to send TON to your Binance account. Tap TON Beta, then select Send. Choose the external wallet option and copy the Binance TON wallet address. To obtain the Binance TON wallet address, go to Binance. Tap Deposit, then select Deposit Crypto. Search for TON and tap on the first result. Choose the appropriate network, which is TONcoin. Copy the TON wallet address and return to Telegram. Paste the wallet address into the specified field and tap Continue. Enter the amount of TON you want to spend and tap Continue. A memo is required to transfer TON from Telegram to Binance. To get the TON memo, return to Binance. Copy the TON memo and go back to Telegram. Paste the memo into the required field. Tap Confirm and Send, then Done. Wait for at least 10 minutes and check the balance in both your Binance and Telegram wallets. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.